गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू एक्सेलेंसी आईएएस। एक्सेलेंसी आईएएस में एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, हम हमारे जेपीएससी प्रीलिम्स की महासंग्राम सीरीज कर रहे थे। सो इन कंटिन्यूएशन विद दैट सीरीज वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व 20 MCQs टुडे। So today is our day 11 of our paper 1. So now let's start our today's session with our question number 1. So our question number 1 is, which tribe of Jharkhand believed to be related with Dravidian and came from South India? The options are given here. Option A is Orao, option B is Chikbarek, option C is Gond, and option D is Pahadia. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is option A, Orao. That Orao, so the correct answer is option A, Orao. That Orao is a tribe of Jharkhand that is believed to be related with Dravidian and came from South India. Okay, so the correct answer is option A. Now come to question number 2. So this is our question number 2, students. So our question number 2 is, which language of Jharkhand is found mainly similar with the Kannada language? So the options are, option A is Kuduk, option B is Malto, option C is Mundari, and option D is none of these. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Kuduk. That Kuduk is a language which is found mainly to be similar as Kannada language. Now come to our question number 3. So this is our question number 3. So our question number 3 is, in which period population of Santals increased in Santhal Pragna region? Option A is Mughal period, option B is British period, option C is post-independence period, and option D is Palas period. So the correct answer of this question is option B, British period. That in the time of British, the population of Santals has been increased in the Santhal Pragna region. Okay, now come to question number 4. So this is question number 4. So question number 4 is, according to Orao's folklore, which tribe inspired Oraos to eat meat? Oraos के folklore के according Oraos को किस tribe ने meat खाना सिखाया? So the options are, option A is Santhal, option B is Munda, option C is Ho, and option D is Sauriya Pahadia. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Munda. That Munda is a tribe who inspired Oraos to eat meat. Okay, now come to our question number 5. So this is our question number 5. So our question number 5 is, what name mentioned for the city Chaibasa in Amarnath Das book Amarkosh? Option A is Shrivas, option B is Srinagar, option C is Chas, and option D is none of these. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Shrivas. Okay, now come to our next question. Question number 6. So this is our question number 6, students. So our question number 6 is, as per the Atharya Brahman, which of the following tribes lived in Magad region? The options are given here. Option A is Santhal, option B is Sabar, option C is Khadiya, and option D is Birjia. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Sabar. So students, this is our question number 7. So our question number 7 is, which of the following writers described as Jharkhand was the birthplace of Gautam Buddha? The options are, option A is Dr. Viratottam, option B is Borman, option C is S.C. Roy, and option D is Dr. N. Mazumdar. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Dr. Viratottam. Okay. Now come to next question. Question number 8. So this is our question number 8. So our question number 8 is, who is the author of the book Jharkhand History and Culture? Option A is Pyare Kirketa. Option B is Raghunath Murmu. Option C is Sukhdev Mahato. And option D is Dr. Viratottam. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Dr. Viratottam. That Dr. Viratottam is the author of the book Jharkhand History and Culture. Now come to our next question. Question number 9. So this is our question number 9. So our question number 9 is, who among the following discovered Buddhist ruins in Pakabira? Option A is Bangalore. Option B is R.C. Bokan. Option C is Dr. Viratottam. And option D is Dalton. So the correct answer of this question is options B, R.C. Bokan. That R.C. Bokan discovered Buddhist ruins in Pakabira. Okay. Now come to question number 10. So this is our question number 10. So our question number 10 is, the remains of Buddhist Vihar have been found from. Option A is Lothari. Option B is Lathon Tongari. Option C is Belwa Dag. And option D is Ichagad. So the correct answer of this question is option C, Belwa Dag. Okay. Now come to question number 11. So this is our question number 11. So our question number 11 is, who discovered the statue of Buddha from Kankajol in Rajmahal area? The option A is Bolanguri. Option B is Cunningham. Option C is Dalton. And option D is R.C. Bokhar. Okay. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Cunningham. That Cunningham has discovered the statue of Buddha from Kankajol in Rajmahal areas. So the correct answer is option B. Now come to next question. Question number 12. So this is our question number 12. So our question number 12 is, which of the following dynasty coins were found from about Ranchi? The options are given here. Option A is Satvahana. Option B is Kushan. Option C is Pallav. And option D is none of these. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Kushan. That Kushan is a dynasty were found from about Ranchi. Now come to question number 13. So this is our question number 13. So question number 13 is, Buddha's statue found from Bhadrakali temple complex belongs to which century? The option A is 7th century, option B is 8th century, option C is 9th century and option D is 11th century. So the correct answer is option A, 7th century. That the statue of Buddha found from Bhadrakali temple complex belongs to 7th century. Okay. Now come to our question number 14. So this is our question number 14. So our question number 14 is, evidence of the spread of which religion found at Kasai and Damodar river basin? Option A is Buddhism, option B is Islam, option C is Jain and option D is Sikh. So the correct answer of this question is option C, Jain. Now come to our question number 15. So this is our question number 15. So our question number 15 is, which of the following is a famous Jain site? Option A is Pawanpur, option B is Rampur, option C is Lakshmanpur, and option D is Hanumanpur. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Pawanpur. That Pawanpur is a site which is famous for Jain. Now, so the correct answer is option A. Now come to our next question. Question number 16. So this is our question number 16. So our question number 16 is, which literary sources give details of influence of Jainism in Jharkhand? Option A is Padmavat, option B is Aini Akbari, option C is Acharanga Sutra, option D is Rehla. So the correct answer of this question is option C, Acharanga Sutra. Now come to question number 17. So this is question number 17. So question number 17 is, how many Jain Tirthankars was attained salvation on Parasnath Hills as per Jain literature? Option A is 18, option B is 20, option C is 21, and option D is 17. Okay. So the correct answer of this question is option B, 20. That there were 20 Tirthankars who has attained salvation on Parasnath Hills for Jain literature. So the correct answer is option B, 20. Now come to question number 18. So this is our question number 18. So question number 18 is, which Jain Tirthankar attained salvation on Parasnath Hill? Option A is Rishabdev, option B is Mahavir, option C is Parshavnath, and option D is none of these. So the correct answer of this question is option C, Parshavnath. That Parshavnath was the Jain Tirthankar who has attained salvation on Parasnath Hills. Now come to our next question, question number 19. So question number 19 is, in which district of Jharkhand? So our question number 19 is, in which district of Jharkhand Samed Sikharji Hill is located? Option A is Giridih, option B is Kodarma, option C is Gumla, and option D is Garhwa. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Giridih. That in Giridih, the district of Jharkhand, Samed Sikharji Hills is located. So the correct answer is option A. Now come to our last question, question number 20. So this is our question number 20. So question number 20 is, who is the author of the book जंगल लाइफ इन इंडिया? जो हमारी बुक है जंगल लाइफ इन इंडिया, उसके ऑथर कौन है? तो ऑप्शंस आर गिवन हियर. ऑप्शन ए इज सी वेगनर, ऑप्शन बी इज कनिंघम, ऑप्शन सी इज डाल्टन, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज वीभाल. So the correct answer of this question is option D, वीभाल. Okay, that वीभाल is the author of the book Jungle Life in India. So thank you. That's all for today's session. Hope this session would be fruitful for you. Keep watching our videos and like, subscribe and share our videos to your friends also. Thank you.